Hi everyone! If you are looking for cool and affordable arbor bench design that would make your neighbors jealous, you're in the right place. I went through dozens of designs and finally made the one that looks great and easy to make. Watch this video and I'll show you every step so you can do it yourself. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I designed this arbor bench in AutoCAD. Then I prepare the material list, buy lumber and get equipment ready. Here is the cut list. I measure and cut all materials. It takes between 1 and 2 hours. Now I measure and mark location of the notches for rafters in these beams. I tape these 4 beams together and cut notches in all 4 beams at the same time. Smooth the edges with the wood rasp. When all lumber is cut, I use a sandpaper to smooth all edges and all boards. Even though cedar wood is naturally resistant to moisture and decay, I prefer to seal it with a wood sealant to preserve the appearance of the wood and extend its lifetime. It can be done after everything is assembled, but I would like to do it now because this way I make sure all sides and edges are properly sealed. When all wood is dry, I start assembling the bench. Step 1. Attach two 21-inch long pieces to the posts, using 2.5-inch deck screws. I drill pilot holes for all screws in this project to prevent wood from splitting. Attach front seat apron and the front outside beam. At this point, I'll drive just one screw into each side to have some flexibility. I check for square after each step here. Flip it over and to the opposite side. Align and attach two inside beams now. I check for square one more time and drive second screw in each side of the boards. Put some spacers under the top of the bench to keep it above the ground for the next step. Attach rafters to the bins with 4 screws. Build seat framing and inside walls of the planters. Next step, assemble back seat framing. Set your saw to 10 degrees and cut one end of these 14-inch long boards. Attach back seat framing between posts and top of the seat support. Place seat boards using 1.5 inch brad nails. Attach back seat boards first. I use a 1/2 inch spacer when installing these boards. These two boards will be the bottom of the planters. One board for each planter. Assemble planters now. Start with building the top row of the planter frame. Here I must say that I originally cut posts to 84 inches instead of 81 that you see on the attached plans. As the result, small legs for planters were 12 inches long instead of 15 on the plans, and not long enough to attach to the top row of the planter frame, so I had to build the second row first. You, however, can attach legs straight to the top row and avoid clamping. As you see here, since my planter legs are 3 inches shorter than necessary, I have to use this small board to connect top and second row of the planter frame. You don't have to do this, because all rows will be attached to the legs. Finish the bottom of the planter with these two boards. Build the face frame. These boards can be attached with the brad nails or screws. You can additionally glue boards for more durability. This lattice will be attached to the sides of the structure. Let's assemble it now. I use 1/2 inch brad nails. Attach lattice to the posts. Now I'm gonna put the landscape fabric inside the planters and secure it with a stapler. The arbor bench is fully assembled now. Let's put some soil into the planters and plant climbing roses. This step is completely optional. I slightly sand bench boards and apply one thick layer of outdoor wood finish for more protection. This project is complete. In a few years, as the climbing roses grow, our arbor bench will look like this one. Thanks for watching! If you are interested in building this arbor bench for yourself, check video description for a link to all necessary files. Don't forget that your likes and subscription help to create videos like this one.